So hello guys, welcome to IT Hub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you how to repost autoplay video on Instagram story in iPhone and Android devices. So guys, lot of iPhone and Android user report to repost autoplay video not working and also not playing on Instagram story on iPhone and Android devices. In this video today I will show you how to repost autoplay video on Instagram story and easy to fix your problems in iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, first of all open the Instagram app. After open the Instagram app, then you can see also bottom search option, so please tap on that. Then you can see also many post videos and also IG videos in your Instagram in iPhone and Android devices. But still now select the and find out the normal video in your iPhone and Android devices in Instagrams. So guys, select the normal video in your iPhone as well as Android devices in Instagrams. Then you can see also share button, so please tap on that. Then you can see also add to post in your story, so please tap on that. And you can see also autoplay cannot be working in your Instagram. So guys, how to fix this issue on iPhone as well as Android devices in Instagrams. But now select the IG video on my iPhone as well as Android devices. Still autoplay video on iPhone as well as Android, but still cannot be work normal video in Instagram story. So how to fix this issue on iPhone as well as Android devices? So guys, come back in iPhone as well as Android home screens, then open the App Store and also Play Store in your Android devices. Then top corner search the Instagram. If you any update available on Instagram app, so please update your Instagram app. Then again check the autoplay working or not. If you cannot be working, then second step follow the and easy to fix your problems. Instagram update after still cannot be autoplay video working on Instagram story, then again second step follow the in iPhone as well as Android devices. So please first of all tap on the profile icon, then tap on the settings. Then you can see also account option. In account option circular data option, so please tap on that. If you turn off the data saver mode on, so please turn off data saver mode in your iPhone as well as Android devices and easy to fix your problems. If you cannot be second step working in your iPhone and Android devices, still I will give you some tips and tricks about that, so easy to solve your problems. So now how to repost autoplay video on Instagram story on iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, first of all open the Play Store in your Android devices, then top corner search the repost for the Instagram, so please tap on that. Then you can see also many repost application available in your iPhone as well as Android devices, but still any free applications download in your iPhone and Android devices and easy to fix your problem. So guys, I already downloaded repost for the Instagram in my Android devices. Then open the repost application in your Android as well as iPhone device. After open the applications, then you can see also this type interfaces so in your iPhone as well as Android devices, but still how to use these applications on your Instagram account. So guys, first of all open the Instagrams, then again select the any videos, normal videos, select in your iPhone as well as Android devices. Then you can see also top corner 3 dots, so please tap on that and copy link and easy to come back in iPhone as well as Android home screens. So after again open the repost for the Instagram app in your iPhone as well as Android devices, then you can see also this type interface. Then again paste the Instagram URL in your iPhone as well as Android. Then select the many features like the top corner, bottom, also side, and also change the color in your iPhone and Android devices. Then you can see also middle download buttons, so please tap on that. Then easy to download this post in your iPhone as well as Android devices, both same process. Please follow the steps and easy to fix your problems in your iPhone as well as iPad. Now still downloading video for the Instagram story in iPhone as well as Android devices. After downloading you can see also save a gallery pop-up so on Android devices. Then come back in home screens, then again open the Instagram in your iPhone as well as Android. So guys, now you can see also left corner story icon, so please tap on that and select the download already video on Instagram story and easy to you can see also repost autoplay video on Instagram story in iPhone and Android devices. Easy to fix your problems. Now also you can see also easily add emojis, texts, stickers and also tags in your iPhone and Android devices. Now customize your stories and easy to see autoplay video repost in your iPhone and Android devices. After complete, then post the story in your Instagram account. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram account.